Throughout my almost 20-year career, if there is one topic that causes concern and even fear among product managers, it's creating a business case. A business case is simply the justification for making an investment in a product. Could be a new product, could be an existing product. Hi, I am Greg with Prickrell Consulting, and today I am super excited to be announcing a new course aimed at product professionals, including product managers, around building business cases. As I said before, I've seen a lot of product managers become intimidated by the idea of having to do financials and build the business case. But Lior Zadacario and I have worked together on a really great course. It's 2 days. We will walk you through the entire process of building a business case. So it's not just a bunch of content. There's a process you should follow to build it. We will take you through that. We will show you how to develop the critical content you need for a business case. We will talk about financial models and describe and define all the financial terms, how you can capture the financials. And as a participant in this course, you will get a lot. We will give you access to another course on creating lean canvases, one of the foundations of building a business case. You will get video versions of the most important lectures so you can go back and refer to them. We will give you access to a library of templates and examples. We will make you part of a community of other product professionals who are building business cases. And in this course, which we are holding on September 4th and 5th in Frankfurt, Germany, we will also give you 2 free hours of coaching so that after the course, as you're building your business case, if you run into obstacles, you will have somebody to talk to. We can help you overcome those obstacles. So, as I said before, I'm super excited about this course. It's new. I think it is long overdue. If you or somebody you know is intimidated at the idea of building a business case, if you're building a business case right now and you feel a little lost, come see us in Frankfurt. We will send you back a confident business case builder, and I look forward to seeing you in September.